Hey guys, Riot here, and today I'm going to show you how to play my self-titled track Riot. So first you want to, make sure that your settings are like this. And then what you want to do is make sure that none of the lights on the right side are lit up. And I'm just going to go through one hand at a time for the intro, and then I'll show you the other sections. So the right hand starts off with this rhythmic pattern, da-da-da-da, like that. So it's... So again, and you want to just practice that so you can get that. And then it goes... And then... So again... The final part in that phrase is... And then you switch up the, and instead of that, it's, so it goes like that for the second time. So from the beginning. And then you pretty much repeat that, except instead of going the third time, what you do is you go, so, and then the fourth time it's, so you hit this bottom one down here. So from the beginning, I'm trying to play it with one finger so you guys can see more easily what I'm hitting. So that's, you basically repeat that twice, that exact same thing, except the left hand's going to differ. So the first time it's just the kick, so it's like... When you hit this, the first time you're going to hit the reverse cymbal, which is right here. So it's like... And then you bring in the clap, or the snare clap, whatever you want to call it. And then when you hit this bottom one, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be kick, snare clap, reverse cymbal, and then this like Reese snare thing that I made. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So from the beginning, it's... like that. And then you're gonna hit the crash, and then you're gonna bring in the hi-hat snare pattern. So it's gonna be let's see. And then the last time you do this, it's just kick, reverse, and the snare. So you don't do the snare clap. And then you're gonna hit this one right here, and it's gonna play the verse. Sorry, not the verse, the build. And then when it gets to the appropriate time, you're gonna play the lead, which is this section, sorta. So these are gonna be triplets, except they're only it's like this one is a quarter note to an eighth note within a triplet, so it's bum. So it's like triplet, and then this is the opposite. It's eighth note to a quarter note in a triplet. So it's like triplet, triplet, and then this is a whole note, I think. 2, 3, yeah. So it's triplet. And then you have eighth notes. So you just go back and forth. And then you repeat this diagonally again. And then triplet, 1, 2. And then once you've done that, then you're going to hit this to trigger the Riot vocal sample. And as soon as you do that, you're going to want to hit the first bank, and you're also going to want to hit the, you're going to hit the first bank, and then the very first drop sample is going to be that. But you're not only going to want to hit that, but you're going to hit the kick and the crash, and then also the white noise, which is right here. So the very first hit of the first drop is going to be like that. So you're actually going to have 4 buttons you're going to have to hit. So that's the intro and the first build. So I'm going to try and make these multiple parts. So check out part 2. That'll probably be link in the description or something like that.